Welcome to this John Surveys YouTube channel. In this video today, we'll be looking at on how to select your emails in Gmail as read. So we can bulk select them and select them all as read. So what we need to do first of all is make sure that we go to the left-hand side, we go all the way down and to all emails. Then what we want to do is we want to select all. You'll get a pop-up here where it says there's 50 conversations on this page that's been selected. Select all 73 conversation in all mail. So you click on that one. Then what you do is you come down to on the same line, you go down all the way to the bottom where it says more with 3 little dots. You click on there. And then what you do is you bookmark, you basically click on this where it says mark as read. So you click on that, and then it's going to ask you confirmation of would you like to do this bulk action. Just to make you aware, sometimes it could take a little bit of time depending on how much emails you have in your email inbox. So you can just press OK. We can quickly get this undone in the left-hand corner. So you can quickly say undo that if you don't want to do it. So in this case, we just quickly undid it. But this is how you do it. This is how you bulk read all the emails that you have got in your inbox, all inboxes. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and like the video. And also, if you got any questions, leave them in the comment section. We will answer all of our comments and see you in the next video.